In this video, we're going to cover some of the ways you can generate real-time reports and custom views in monday.com. There are three major areas we'll do this from: Search Everything, the Board Filter, and the Board Views, along with a few columns that might help as well. Let's get started globally with Search Everything. This bar at the top allows you to search across all of your boards on your account in one place. You can test it by typing in your name to see all the places where you're assigned. Let's say you're a manager looking to prepare for a one-on-one meeting with a team member. You can type in their name to find out where they're assigned as well. Since you have these meetings on a regular basis, you can use the Filter by Date button to narrow down the date range for the results. If you want to focus on where they're stuck, you can type "stuck" after their name to pull up only the results where they're assigned and the status is stuck. You can even save these searches for later using the star in the search bar or by clicking on the gear icon to export the results to Excel. Now let's dive into the board level to better understand some of the columns that can help you visualize progress. In this high-level board, we're tracking all of our active projects as they step through the various phases of our process. Since we have a lot of phases to track through, a progress column allows us to combine multiple status columns into one clean view and see the progress at a group level as well. We can also use a tags column to tag each project with a client name or relevant resource and quickly see all of the related pulses just by clicking on the tag. You can even add multiple tags per pulse so that you can create more ways to group together and find the information you need. The timeline column is a great way to track progress across a range of dates. Clicking in the column allows you to see a timeline and rearrange as needed. You can sort these by person, status, or group. Now, let's jump over to the sales team board to learn more about reporting at the board level. The next place that we'll look to create reports on the board is the board filter. Here you can search, like in Search Everything, or click on a person icon to filter only by person, and you can use the filter icon to filter down the pulses you see based on any combination of column values. Say you want to see the leads assigned to a particular sales rep with certain statuses and dates. Simply click on the values you want to include to build your own filter. Here again, we can export to Excel or bookmark the unique link to this view to revisit it later. Finally, there are board views. These each provide a unique way to visualize the data on your board. First up, the Files view pulls together all of the files uploaded to the board's pulses. The Map view allows you to see all of the values in the Location column, while the Timeline and Calendar views help you visualize the dates on the board. With the Timeline view, you can group together pulses by person or status or group as we saw earlier. And with a Calendar view, you can combine multiple date and timeline columns into a single view. Next up's my personal favorite, the Chart view. This allows you to define your own parameters to report on either a pie chart, bar chart, or graph chart. Once you select your chart type, you can pick the column that you would like to report on, and then weight the results by count or another column on the board. In this particular example, we'll report on the lead location by deal size to see which countries have the most opportunity in our pipeline. We'll simply select the country column and then weight by the deal size. Once I have the view that I want, I can download an image of the chart to include in a presentation or report. But let's say I also want to see which reps are bringing in the most deals. I can add another chart view, select the column to report on, and value to weight it by. Then name my new view, and I can even take it a step further by returning to the board filter and filtering down to just the groups that are most likely to close. I can combine these results together by using the board filter and board view at the same time. As you can see, the board filters and views open up a world of possibilities when reporting in monday.com. And since these views are dynamically generated, they're always up to date. So whether you're looking to report on the number of tasks completed per team member in a sprint, or understand which clients add the most value, take a minute and explore the reporting options in monday.com for yourself.